Girls must remember these words when they are infatuated. In a relationship, you should learn to understand human nature. Girls who don't understand human nature will take many detours. For example, after being in a relationship for a long time, you think he has changed. In fact, it's not that he has changed, but that he has taken off his mask. This is human nature. If you don't understand this point, when the relationship changes, you will fall into endless anxiety and internal conflict. Start quarreling, lose your temper, and become unlike yourself. This is very painful.